Good afternoon. My name is Trevor Hallmeyer. I'm with NutriDrip Irrigation, covering the state of Nebraska, and today I'm here with Robbie Peterson from McCool Junction.
This farm is southeast of McCool Junction, like 4 miles east and 3 south. Irrigation in general, I've been farming since 2000, so 24 years I've been irrigating. I got 135 acres here. It's drip tape. I did another 20 on this field a few years ago. That wasn't originally with the Equip program, and so, but I thoroughly, it's maintenance, a lot of maintenance free. I have you guys do maintenance once a year, and you acidize it every few years, and I really haven't had any issues with this. It was, I didn't know anything about it before, we got Equip money to be able to transform this field that was previously, we used a Traveler, like a hard hose Traveler big gun, and it was very inefficient, took a lot of time, took a lot of labor intensive, and I did a marginal job at watering. And so we got the Equip money, and we were able to put on drip, and it's the best thing on this that ever happened to this farm. Yeah, if you have, to be honest, for me, if you have odd shaped fields, like this has power lines going through it, it's got a basin in it, it's just really odd, and so it's the best thing for odd shaped fields, and I wouldn't change anything. They can get by with less. We're not losing anything through the pivot. With pivot, you lose just evaporation coming off the pivot, and especially on hot, windy days, you're not putting as much out on that crop that you need, and where everything's coming from below. You're not losing anything through transpiration. So it's more efficient. I can get by with less. Oh, it's a no-brainer. I mean, look into it. You got any questions? I mean, there's people to talk to that'll walk you through it. It's for fields like this. What this is, it's well worth your time and effort. Yeah, initially I thought it was just for water, but since we got it set up, when we did the Equip program, it had set up with the fertilizer pump that came with the system, and so I tried that out. So actually I can get by with, I put on a little bit less fertilizer than I do on my pivot irrigated stuff, and with this, after a few years of getting this drip field working correctly, I've been doing fertigating, and do it 2 or 3 times depending on the year, and so I put the KTS with it, with the 32O, and then I started throwing in some boron as well, and so that's the first year I've ever done boron and through my drip. But no, it's pretty seamless. It's easy. Yeah, and this is, I like to try it on this field first if I do anything new, and then I try to implement that on my center pivots. But I on this drip field I expect big things, so it should be fun harvest. So look forward to that.